All right, the last section of this chapter, chapter 9, is 9.6. And 9.6 is covering dilations. So what that means is we're going to be taking shapes on the coordinate plane, shapes that are graphed, and we're going to be making them smaller or larger to a certain scale so that they look like they're the same. One's just smaller than the other, but nothing else has changed. The angles don't change. Everything's changed to scale. So in order to do this, to find the coordinates of an image, so remember an image is the new shape or new point that you're creating after you're doing something to it, after you're manipulating it. So to find the coordinates of an image after dilation centered at the origin, we are going to multiply the x and y coordinates of each point on the pre-image. So the pre-image is our starting point by the scale factor of the dilation r. So that means we're going to be taking r and just multiplying it to x and y, to both of them. It doesn't change for x and one. You're not going to have a different r for x and a different r for y. So let's just start this off. Let's look at our first example. We have triangle ABC, vertices at -2, -2. So here's my A. I have B at 1, -1, and C at 0, 2. So here's my starting triangle. So now I am going to dilate it with a scale factor of 2. So that means I'm going to take A prime, and that's going to be -2 times 2. Oh, I don't even need to do that, do I, guys? Y'all can multiply by 2. So A prime, 2 times 2, -4, -4. B prime is going to be 1 times 2 is 2, -1 times 2 is -2, and C prime is going to be 0 times 2 is 0, and 2 times 2 is 4. So I'm going to look at -4, -4 for A prime. I'm going to look for B prime at 2, -2, and C prime at 0, 4. So now, if you look, my triangle has gotten larger. It's gotten just a bit bigger. So all we did was multiply x and y by 2, and then plot those points. Let's look at another one. So I've got A, B, and C already plotted out for me. So next I need to just graph it, or I need to find my new points. So it says I'm dilating by a scale factor of 3. So I'm going to go ahead and write these out, A prime, B prime, and C prime. So that means I'm multiplying everything by 3. So A was originally 2, 1. I multiply by 3 and it becomes 6, 3. B was originally -6, 4. I multiply by 3 and we get -18, -12. And for C prime, we take -3, -2 and multiply by 3 and get -9, -6. So now I'm going to go ahead and graph these out. I have 6, 3 for A prime. B prime's way off the map, so maybe I can't graph this, guys. It's okay. I'm just looking for the points. As long as you find the points, we are all set. Great job.